So a pleasant afternoon to everybody. Welcome to our Thursday class, which is on reading comprehension. The teacher is happy to see 18 participants this afternoon. I'm sorry to keep you waiting too long. By the way, recording is already on progress. So allow PIN to record our session. Hello?
Hello, Miss.
Oh,
Miss. Halo, Miss.
um,
Ah,
I hung up a while. Hopefully this time I am already sharing my screen. Catherine, can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
What title can you see?
The title is The Puppy and the Kitten.
Okay, so we will be having this story. Okay, this will be the first story this afternoon. Okay, Catherine, are you ready to read?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go, Catherine.
The Puppy and the Kitten. My family just adopted a puppy and a kitten from the animal shelter. They were so young. They did not even have names yet. We had to think of good names for them. The puppy likes to jump up. The kitten likes to cuddle up in our laps. What do you want to name them? Asked Mom. My sister said, Bones for the puppy and Cuddles for the kitten. We all thought those names were perfect.
Okay, good. Thank you, Catherine.
Welcome, teacher.
I will also be asking Nicolas to read. Okay, while the other kids are reading, hopefully the other kids will also find time to read silently. Nicolas,
Yes, Miss.
okay, please read now.
Okay, Miss. The puppy and the kitten. My family just adopted a puppy and a kitten from the animal shelter. They were so young, they did not even have names yet. We had to think of good names for them. The, the puppy likes to jump up. The kitten likes to curl up in our laps. What do you want to name them? Asked Mom. My sister said, Pounds for the puppy and Cuddles for the kitten. We all thought those names were perfect.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you, Nicolas.
Welcome, Miss.
Can I also have Honey to read? Honey.
Okay, Miss, the puppy and the kitten. My family just adopted a puppy and a kitten from the animal shelter. They were so young, they did not even have names yet. We have to think of good names for them. The puppy likes to jump up. The kitten likes to curl up in our laps. What do you want to name them? Ex-mom. My sister said, Food for the puppy, and cuddles for the kitten. We all thought those names were perfect.
Okay, this one is Pounds. Come again. Pounds. Honey. Pounds.
Um,
Okay.
um,
Thank you.
welcome is
So what is the title of the first reading selection this afternoon?
the puppy and the kitten.
Very good. Where can we find the title, by the way? Where can we find the title?
On the top,
Yes, that's good, Aaron. We can find the title at the top before the story starts. Okay. Who are the characters mentioned in the story? Who are the characters mentioned in the story?
mom
Yes, Catherine and
and sister.
okay. And aside from that one, okay, you have the mother, the sister, and okay, and the little boy in the story, which is not directly stated. Okay, what did the family just adopted? They adopted.
A puppy and a kitten.
Okay, where did they get the puppy and the kitten?
Animal shelter.
Okay, both animals came from the animal shelter. How do you describe the two animals? How do you describe the two?
They were so young.
Yes, the two of them are so young, of course, because when you say puppy, that's a small dog, and kitten is a small cat. Okay, aside from being young, they do not have names. So they are thinking of what names to give to their new pets. What does the puppy likes to do? What
Likes to jump up.
very good. How about the kitten, Nicolas? How about the kitten?
It likes to curl up in our laps.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Now, their mother was asking them what name do they want to give their pets. So what did the sister said?
Pounds for the puppy and cuddles for
Yeah, so Pounds, they're going to call Pounds the puppy, Cuddles for the kitten. So they were thinking those names were perfect. Okay, very good. Okay, let's try to answer this one. Okay, this will be very easy because we already discussed the story. Josephine, can I have you for number one?
Yes, miss.
Number
What
one.
animals did they adopt? A puppy and a kitten.
Okay, you say they adopted. Uh, they adopt a puppy. How do you say that one?
They adopt a puppy and a kitten.
Yes, very good. Thanks, Josephine.
You're welcome, miss.
Yes, Mariana. Question number two, please.
What does the kitten like to do? The
Yeah.
kitten like to do curl up to our laps.
Oh, okay. Very good, Mariana. The kitten likes to curl up on their laps. Thank you. Alfonso, number three, please.
Okay. What is the puppy's name going to be?
Yes, the puppy. What will be the puppy's name?
The answer is Pounds.
How do you say that one in a sentence?
Okay. The puppy's name is going to be Pounds.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, Tristan, do you like to read and answer number four?
What, miss?
Number four, Tristan.
Who took the names were perfect?
Yes. Who thought the names were perfect? Anybody? Who thought that the names they gave to the animals were perfect? Is it only the mother? Is it only the sister?
All.
Yes, yeah, all of them thought that the names were perfect. Okay, that's good. Okay. So it's a very short story. Okay, I hope you find it interesting and that's very easy to understand. Okay, let's move now to another story. Okay, I'll be closing it first. I hope it will. Oh, it's loading again. Oh. Hello?
Hello, Hello, Miss.
Hello, Miss.
Okay. You know what? Yeah, I'm sorry, my screen is really not cooperating with me. So bad. And everything hangs out. For a while. Because I am going to change to another tab for the new story. But it's not functioning. Goodness. Is my screen working now? Not yet.
It's working, miss.
It's working, teacher.
Miss.
I'm sorry for that one. What title can you see on my screen now?
A puzzle a day.
Okay, so I hope everybody can see now a puzzle a day. Can you see that?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
miss.
So this story is similar to the first one, which is not that long. Okay, so we will be having this a puzzle, a puzzle a day. Oh, it's loading again. Okay. Enda, can I have you first to read?
Okay, miss. A puzzle a day. Anna and her family love doing puzzles. Anna is best at little puzzles. Anna and her brother work on medium-sized puzzles together. Anna's brother likes puzzles with cars in them. When the whole family does a puzzle, they do really big puzzles. It can take them a week to finish a really big puzzle. Last year, they did a puzzle with 500 pieces. Anna tries to finish one small puzzle a day by herself. Her puzzle have about 50 pieces. They all glue their favorite puzzles together and frame them. The puzzles look so nice on the wall.
Okay, thank you, Da.
Miss,
Yes,
can I go to the toilet?
yes, go to the toilet.
Thank you, miss.
Um, you know what? My screen is really not that responsive today. Okay, aside from Inda, I would like to call Farrell. Farrell,
Yes, miss.
it's your turn to read.
Okay. Miss, your screen. A puzzle a day. Anna and her family love doing puzzle. Anna is best at the at little puzzle. Anna and her brother work and on medium-sized puzzle together. Anna's brothers like puzzle with cars in them. When the whole family does a puzzle, they do really big puzzle. And it can take them a week to finish a really big puzzle. Last year, they did a puzzle with 500 pieces. Anna dares to finish small puzzle a day by herself. Her puzzle have about 15 pieces. They all glue their favorite puzzle together and form them. The puzzle looks so nice on the wall.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Farrell.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. Mariana, can I ask you to read also?
Puzzle a day. Anna and her family love doing puzzles. Anna is best at little puzzles. Anna and her brother work on medium-sized puzzles together. Anna's brother likes puzzles with cars in them. When the whole family does a puzzle, they do really big puzzles. It can take them a week to finish a really big puzzle. Last year, they did a puzzle with 500 pieces. And Anna tries to finish one small puzzle a day by herself. Her puzzles have about 50 pieces. They all glue their favorite puzzles together and frame them. The puzzles look so nice on the wall.
Okay, thank you so much, Mariana.
You're welcome, Miss.
Farrell,
Yes, Miss.
why is your screen has Felicia and Farrell? Felicia is your sister, Farrell? Or no?
Yes, Felicia is my sister, Miss.
Oh, so Felicia
Felicia is my sister.
is with you now?
Yes.
Felicia, hi.
Hi, Miss.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just recognized it now. That's, you are also.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. So you are just using one account, Felicia?
Yes, me and Farrell is together because I don't have internet.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay. I will also have you, Felicia, to read.
Okay, Miss. A puzzle a day. Anna and her family love doing puzzles. Anna is best at little puzzles. Anna and her brother work on medium-sized puzzles together. Anna's brother likes puzzles with cars in them. When the whole family does a puzzle, they do really big puzzles. It can take them a week to finish a really big puzzle. Last year, they did a puzzle with 500 pieces. Anna tries to finish one small puzzle a day by herself. Her puzzles have about 50 pieces. They all glue their favorite puzzles together and frame them. The puzzles look so nice on the wall.
Okay, that's also good. Thank you, Felicia.
Yes, you're welcome, Miss.
Okay, I'll be having one last kid. Okay, one last kid to read before we discuss the story. Rasa, are you ready to read?
Yes, Miss.
Go, Rasa.
A puzzle a day. Anna and her family love doing puzzle. Anna is best at little puzzle. Anna and her brother work on medium-sized puzzle together. Anna's brother like puzzle with cars in them. When the whole family does the puzzle, they do really big puzzles. It can take them a week to finish a really big puzzle. Last year they did a puzzle
Yes.
with 2,000 pictures and tries to finish one small puzzle a day by herself. Her puzzle have about 50 pages. They all glue their favorite puzzle together and frame them. The puzzle looks so nice on the wall.
Rasa, could you say puzzle?
Puzzle.
Come again.
Pu-
Puzzle.
What, Miss?
Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Yes. Thank you, Rasa.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, everybody, you say that is puzzle with S, puzzles. So this is our second story, and what is its title? What is its title?
A puzzle a day.
Puzzle a day.
Puzzle a day.
Good. Who are the characters mentioned in the story? Who are the characters mentioned?
Anna.
Yes, we have Anna. Who else?
Her brother.
And then family.
Yeah, very good. Yes, Josephine, you have her brother, and Nicolas said also the entire family. What does her family love to do? One by one, what does her family love to do?
Doing puzzle.
Puzzles.
Puzzles.
So how are you going to say that one in a sentence?
They love doing puzzle.
Yes, they love doing puzzles. So Anna is best at the little puzzles. Okay, when Anna and her brother are working, what size of puzzles are they going to use or to do? If Anna and her brother is working together, what kind of puzzles are they going to do?
Medium-sized puzzles.
Who was that?
Mariana.
Oh, very good, Mariana. They're working on medium-sized puzzles. What kind of puzzles does her brothers like to do? What kind of puzzles does her brother likes to do?
Puzzles with cars.
Yes, Nicolas, puzzles with cars. So the entire family does a puzzle. Okay, if the entire family is doing it, they're going to use big puzzles. Okay, and it will take them a week to finish it. So last year, it is said here that they did a puzzle with how many pieces? Last year, they did
500 pieces.
Imagine how many pieces is that? 500. And it took them a week to finish it. So, who among you here tried, what do you call that one? Playing puzzles. Have you tried in the playing puzzles?
What, Miss?
Have you tried playing puzzles at home?
Yes.
Wow. Is it the same with their family, the big puzzles, or just the small one?
I doing puzzle with my little sister, not with family.
What's the illustration in the puzzle, Inda? What's the illustration that you can see? What puzzle are you trying to form?
It's like princess because my little sister like princess.
Wow. So that's also a good thing. A princess puzzle. Oh, that's good. Thank you, Inda, for sharing.
Welcome.
Yes. Aside from Inda, who else have tried playing puzzles?
Miss, I don't have puzzle, miss.
Oh, you don't.
Me.
Oh, it's okay, Nicolas. Maybe soon, right? You can play puzzles. How about
Yes, miss.
yes? How about Aaron? Have you tried playing puzzles, Aaron?
What, miss?
Have you tried finishing a puzzle?
Yes, miss.
Oh, what illustration or what picture are you trying to make?
Dinosaurs.
Oh, dinosaurs. That's interesting. That's good. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, miss.
So there are also times that Anna tries to finish a small puzzle. Okay, and it will took her a day to finish it with 50 pieces only. So what are they going to do with their finished puzzles? What are they going to do with the puzzles if they are done making it?
They'll put their favorite puzzles together and frame them.
Okay, you have it at the last part of the story. Glue all the puzzles together, then put it nicely on the wall. Thank you, Alfonso.
Welcome.
Okay. Let's have this one. Question number 1 for our comprehension test. Anybody who would like to answer? Zelda, you want to read question number 1?
Okay, Miss. What puzzle is Anna best at?
Yes. What puzzles is Anna best at? She is best in doing what kind of puzzles? Big ones, the medium-sized ones, or just the little puzzles or the small puzzles?
The medium puzzle.
Mm-hmm. Is Anna good doing in the medium ones?
Not really.
Yeah,
Well-
not really, because Anna is best at.
The small one.
Yes, exactly, Zelda. Doing the small ones. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, very good, Zelda. How about for question number 2? Clara, you wanna answer, Clara?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Read number 2, Clara.
What puzzles does she do with her brother?
Okay. Alone, she can finish small puzzles, but together with her brother, what kind of puzzle is it now? Are they going to finish big puzzles or the medium-sized puzzles? Who would like to?
Medium-sized puzzle.
Oh, yes. Okay. Because you have it here when Anna and her brother work on medium-sized puzzles together. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Clara. Aaron, do you want to answer number 3, Aaron? Or maybe you just read the question first, Aaron.
How long does it take her family to finish already big puzzle?
Yes.
A week.
Yes, they are going to finish it in a
Week.
week. That's good. Very attentive, Aaron. Thank you. Let's move now to number 4. Okay, Nicolas, raising your hand, Nicolas.
Number 4, right?
Yes.
Number 4. What do they do their favorite puzzles?
Yes.
They glue them to the walls.
They glue it together, then hang it in
They
the
glue together and
hang it.
then hang it on the wall.
Yes, hang it nicely on the wall. Very, very good. Thank you, Nicolas.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. I'm very happy if if you can read the question, then give me the answer, because it means that you are paying attention to what we are reading. Okay, so we have a puzzle a day. That's the second one. Okay, we still have time. I hope my screen will load directly. Very good. Okay, we have our last story for tonight. Okay, so what's the title of our last story? Do you have my screen?
A thunderstorm.
Yes, it is the thunderstorm. Do you know what a thunderstorm is?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, when can we hear thunderstorm? When it is? There's a thunderstorm if there's a heavy rain, approaching rain, right? Are you not afraid of thunderstorm? No? Okay. Maybe if you are not afraid of thunderstorm because when it's raining, you are inside your own houses. Okay. I would like to call Claudie.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Can I have you to read now?
Yes. The thunderstorm. The kids were outside playing catch. They heard a rumble in the sky. They didn't want to stop playing, but they knew it was safe to be out in a storm. Also, they did not want to get wet. They decided to go inside and play a board game. They loved listening to the thunder as they played their game. The kids went outside again after the storm had passed. They say rainbow.
Okay, this one, Claudie, this is listening. Could you say it again?
Listening.
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 Okay, this one, saw. Saw.
So,
Thank you.
welcome, Miss.
Cynthia, are you ready to read now?
Me, Miss?
Yes, you, Cynthia.
Yeah. The thunderstorm. The kids were outside playing catch. They heard a rumble in the sky. They didn't want to stop playing, but they knew it was safe to be out in a storm. Also, they did not want to get wet. They decided
Decided.
to go inside and play a board game. They loved listening to the thunder as they played their game. The kids went outside again after the storm had passed. They saw a rainbow.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Shati. Thank you, Cynthia.
You're welcome, Miss.
Vanessa, can I hear your voice, please? Vanessa? Vanessa? Okay. Okay, if not Vanessa, how about Rayhan? Rayhan?
Yes, Miss.
Are you ready to read, Rayhan?
The thunderstorm. The kids were were outside playing cards. They they had a rumble in the sky. They, they did want to stop playing, but they knew it was wasn't safe to be out in a storm. Also, they did not want to get wet. They decided to go eat and play a board game. They love listening to us as they play the game. The kids went outside again after the storm had passed. They saw and rainbow.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rehan. Aaron, can I have you last to read the story, Aaron?
The thunderstorm. The kids were outside playing catch. They heard a rumble in the sky. They did want to stop playing, but they need it wasn't safe to be out in a storm. Also, they did not want to get wet. They decided to go inside and play a board game. The lovely listening to the thunder as the played their game. The kids went outside again after the storm had passed. They saw, they saw a rainbow.
Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so what are the kids playing outside? What are the kids playing outside?
Playing cats.
Yes, they're playing catch. Then suddenly, what do they heard? Suddenly, what do they heard? Yes, anyone? What do they heard?
They heard a rumble in the sky.
Yes, Mariana, very good. They heard a rumble in the sky, but they did not want to stop playing. But they also knew that it wasn't safe to be out in a storm. And they also did not want to get wet. So they decided to do what? So since they knew that it's not good to play outside, they decided to play, or they decided to do what?
They decided to go inside and play a board game.
Okay, so they decided to play board game. So it is now an indoor activity. So as they are playing, they loved listening to the thunder as they played their game. And so when the rain or the storm already passed, so the kids went outside again, and what do they saw?
They saw a rainbow.
Yes, they saw a rainbow. How are you going to describe a rainbow in that? What can you say about a rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Okay, so a rainbow is very colorful, right? Usually you can say that a rainbow is beautiful and colorful. Alfonso, I hope you're ready for question number 1.
Okay. What were the kids playing outside? The answer kids, the kids playing catch in outside.
Again, the kids are playing
Playing catch outside.
outside. That's good. Okay, thank you, Alfonso.
Welcome.
Josephine, are you ready for number 2?
Yes, miss. Number 2, what did they hear? They hear a thunder.
Is it yeah, they hear a thunder wherein it is they heard a rumble in the sky. Again, Josephine, what did the kids hear?
What, miss?
What can you say again what the kids hear? What did they hear?
They heard a rumble in the sky.
Okay, so that rumbling in the sky, that's already the thunderstorm that they are, okay, that's already the thunder that they are hearing. Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, number 3 now. Catherine, are you ready for number 3?
Yes, teacher. Where did they go? They go.
Yes.
They go to the outside.
They go. Okay, they are outside, right? Because they are playing catch. Okay, when they hear the rumbling sound, what happened? Where did they go next? Okay, since they hear a rumbling sound, where did they go next? Anyone? Maybe Catherine would like to answer that again. So where did they go? They went inside
They
their house.
went inside.
Oh yeah, they went inside their house. Okay, because why did they went inside their house? Why did they went inside their house? It's because maybe Audrey would like to answer. Why did they went inside the house, Audrey? Or maybe Nicholas would also like to share his answer.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. They went inside the house. Why?
Because there was a thunderstorm.
Yes, and they don't want to get wet. And aside from that, they also knew that it's not safe to play outside.
Miss?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm late to join the Zoom, Miss.
Yeah, it's almost time, Grace. It's almost time.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Yeah, it's okay. Next time, maybe you can come early. Honey, do you want to answer number 4?
Yes, Miss. What did they play inside?
Yes. When they're inside their house, what did they play? You have it here. They are playing.
A board game.
Yeah, that's correct, honey. Continue.
They play a board game.
Yes, that's correct. They play a board game. That's good. That's good, honey. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that is our last story this afternoon. So you have, okay, so that is about the thunderstorm. I am already stopping my presentation because it's almost time. By the way, teacher would like to ask, sorry for my screen. It was loading a while ago and I wasn't able to start on time. Okay, I guess you have a class after this one, right? With another teacher? Okay, so I'll be seeing you again next meeting. Okay, thank you for being so participative. Thank you, everybody. Have a good night. Enjoy your dinner, okay? Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.